Hello and welcome to my channel, It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor, and in today's video we are going to be doing a clean and decorate with me power hour. On this particular day I had just put my son down for a nap, and my husband and my older son had gone out to the park, so I wanted to try and get as much done as possible. Within an hour, I tried my best. I went over a little bit, but I did get a lot of cleaning done and I was able to decorate. As you can see, the entire house was a disaster. So I decided to go ahead and just get started in our family room area. There were a lot of blankets and things out because the previous night we had a family movie night. So I just decided to go ahead and start there. It would be easiest to get that area quickly cleaned up and get these things out of the way. I feel like just removing things off the couch helps this area look cleaner so fast. Now that the family room area is clean, I'm just going to move into our family dining area. We do have a formal dining area, which we rarely ever eat at. We spend most of our time in the family room area and at this dining table. Even though this dining table I feel like is more used for storage than just eating, this is kind of like a stopping point for everyone as soon as they walk in the house. So once I get all the items off, I am just going to spray and wipe it down with some of Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface spray. I love these sprays and all their different scents. They smell amazing, and I just like that it's not too harsh, something that I can use on the table and not have to worry about if the kids eat their food directly off the table.
From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good.
Alright, so living and dining area is done. I am going to get started in this disaster of a kitchen. This is what's really going to take me the most time out of my hour, because I feel like right now I'm only like 15 minutes in, maybe 15-20 minutes in. So, and because that area is always my easy area, just things that need to be put away. But in here I have like groceries that need to be put away, stuff left out from yesterday, so I'm gonna get started right away.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
recently got this folding dish rack on Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's perfect for a small kitchen like mine. I don't have a lot of counter space, so sometimes I just like to be able to take everything off the counter, especially when I'm cooking or meal prepping. This is perfect. I can just fold it and put it away. I usually put the dishes in the dishwasher, or I try to wash them and dry them and put them away right away. But for the times that I don't, this is perfect.
At the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy.
So as I'm putting all the dishes away, I'm just noticing how unorganized my drawers and cabinets are, but I am slowly working my way through the house, organizing each area of the house. Make sure you're tuned in on Wednesday morning. I actually started with my bathroom. I did a deep declutter and organization video with my bathroom, so make sure you're subscribed so that you can see that video and so that you're following along with me. Every week I'm going to be doing a different area of the house.
Small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Okay, so it is now 11:48, which means it's been an hour and 20 minutes. I got pretty far with cleaning, and then this one just woke up, so I'm gonna give him a snack, and I'm gonna try to hurry, quickly just put up my decorations. I think my husband, my older son, they are gonna be home any minute. So I'm just gonna wipe the counters. I just washed a couple of dishes. I'm gonna leave those in the sink to dry. I'll probably put those away after I decorate, just so I can go ahead and have the decorations up and not slow me down. So I'm gonna give him a snack, and then we're gonna get to decorating really quick. Well, I have to wipe down the counters and I need to do the floors, and then we're gonna decorate really quickly. So let's see how fast I can get this done.
But I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Okay, so I have laid out all my Valentine's Day decor. Everything I have here is from the Dollar Tree. So I got these just so we could do some craft activities. So I got paint and paint brushes to go along with that. I got these heart stickers. I haven't decided yet where I'm going to put them. Or these also, I haven't decided where I'm going to put them. But I thought these were really cute. I'm going to put this tablecloth on this table. And Jackson asked to get this because he went with me shopping. So we picked this up. We'll have to find a space for this. But everything here came from the Dollar Tree. So it was $1.25 because it's no longer $1 anymore. I thought this was really cute. It's like a stack of books. Then I went to Target and I picked up way more than I should have, but I loved everything. I thought these were so cute. I feel like I could even in the future repurpose them for Christmas. I got these plates and some cups because I want to make a Valentine breakfast. I saw this, excuse me, for $10 and I thought it was really cute, so I definitely had to have it. And I got these for Jackson's class for Valentine's Day so that I could make little treat boxes. And I picked up these hand towels. I grabbed these, they're Valentine's Day themed, just to get them because they're Valentine's Day themed. Jackson actually eats these in his lunch and for snacks a lot. So I thought it would be cute just for up until Valentine's Day to put those in his lunchbox. And I got these to go with the Valentine's Day breakfast. Oh, and these for us to do at home on Valentine's Day. My older son Jackson had just come home while I was putting these decorations up, and he was so excited. That is part of the reason I love decorating the house for every holiday. It's always so exciting and fun to him, and he gets so into whatever holiday it is. As soon as he came in the house, he was like, "It's Valentine's Day, it's Valentine's Day. I can't wait to take gifts to my friends." It's always so fun to see him react for every holiday. These decorations I felt were very minimal, but to him it was so exciting, so it's always worth it. I am all done decorating. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and please go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, I will have a deep declutter and organizing video coming up on Wednesday at 9 a.m. I hope to see you all there in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.